Good morning to one and all who are present here. Today I am Puramo standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Armed Forces Special Power Act, AFSPA. It is a special law which was enacted by our Indian Parliament to maintain peace and order in disturbed areas. It was first enacted to control the growing insurgency in Northeast. If we talk about its historical background, we can be traced back into 1958, where it was first enacted to control the growing insurgency of Assam and Manipur. Later, it was extended to Jammu Kashmir in 1990. Now let's discuss about what is the meaning of disturbed areas according to this act. Any area where there is a serious threat to law and order is considered as disturbed area. And if we talk about declaration, the declaration of Armed Forces Special Power Act can be made by the central government or the state governor itself. The Armed Forces Special Power Act grants some extraordinary power to armed forces, such as use of force, means armed forces can fire upon even on citizens, causing death. Second, search without permission. Armed forces can search hideouts, premises without judicial permission used by insurgent. Third, arrest without warrant. Armed forces can arrest any individual whosoever is suspected to be involved in insurgency or terrorist activity. As we all know that if anything have a good side, it also have a bad one. Similarly, many arguers say that much amount of power should not be given to armed forces, and armed forces violates human law, where supporters say that armed forces should operate in such extreme situation and it is necessary for national security. In conclusion, I would like to say that armed forces is a significant law and controversial, but balancing national security and citizen rights. Thank you.